Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We are looking at the Walgreens preview for April the 5th to the 11th, the first week of April. I am loving this, and I'm loving 49-cent Neutrogena wipes. Like, shut up. I'm amazed. I'm excited about this. And Walgreens will be open on Easter Sunday as well. You know what? Check the app for your location. They might have a pop-up saying pharmacy closed but store open, but I think Walgreens should be open. And again, we're from the 5th to the 11th for this ad. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published on Sunday the 5th, which is Easter. Now, the following Monday, which is the 6th, Easter merchandise should probably drop to 50% off. And when it's going to go 80%, I think really quick. They want that room for the summer stuff on the floor, and they want all of the bunnies to leave the store. And I'm pretty sure we're also going to get a free 8x10 photo with a magic code, so I will let you guys know if that should show up on Sunday. Typically, any holiday, they give us a free print, so whenever that shows up, I will share the code with you guys. I didn't get a booster personally, but I got a bunch of these P&G boosters. The first one is a 5-pack when you buy three P&G bath care, so the Old Spice or Olay, and the 15 back when you spend 45 on skincare. If you looked at the fine print, it's valid from the 5th to the 11th. So there it is. And then we have a 10 back when you spend 40 on Always products. A 4 back when you buy, I think it's usually 4 P&G deodorants. Man, deodorants really jumped in price as well. A 3 back when you buy 2 P&G dental care products. And a 10 back when you spend 25 on Walgreens vitamins. Curbside is going to be really important next week, and I know a lot of you love to shop that way. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel. If you have the hype button, consider pressing that. I would be, again, so grateful. First deal that's absolutely tremendous is to pick up 2 of the $5.99 Neutrogena wipes. We have a 4 off of 2 coupon, a $7 reward when you buy 2. I mean, that's magic right there. So 2 of these is $11.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $7.98. Getting back a $7 register reward, making it 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents per bag. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is exactly what we're talking about. Next deal that I absolutely love this week is with the Brawny. This is a 2 = 6 paper towel. Those are huge freaking rolls. $5 reward when you buy 2. That has my attention. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be $12.98. Subtracting the $2 coupon, you're paying $11.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per unit of paper. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And most of us don't have a booster, but what a deal. Persil liquid laundry detergent is $5.99. We have a $2 digital coupon. Check your IBOTTA account what rebates you might have. I have 50 cents back. You might have $1, so it might be a better deal for you, but 50 cents is nothing to sneeze at. So looking at this, grabbing one of those for $5.99, subtracting the coupon, I'm paying $3.99. 50 cents back from IBOTTA, making it $3.49 for one of these Persils. Again, I don't have a booster, so yes, I can use Walgreens cash. But usually these detergents are upwards of like $8 or $9 at Walgreens for a 25 loader. So this is not a bad little deal. Moving it along, we have a deal on the Tresemme. Look for the $6 bottles. We're going to have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon and a $3 reward when you purchase 2. Grabbing 2 of the bottles at $6 a unit, that's 12. Subtracting your coupon, you'll pay 8. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 5 for 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And the Olay body wash at $8, $5 reward when you buy 3, and it's typically a 7 off of 3 digital coupon. So grabbing 3 of those body washes, it's going to be $24. Subtracting your coupon, you'll pay $16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3 or $3.66 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. And hang on to your receipt, guys. This is one item that sometimes IBOTTA might show us a rebate for this. So possibly we could get you could get it even cheaper. Not a moneymaker, but cheaper. The Listerine products for $5. We're going to be grabbing 2 of them. $4 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $1 digital coupon. So grabbing 2 of these cheap Listerine products for $10, subtracting that $1 digital, you'll pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $5 for the 2 or $2.50 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but not a bad deal. If you wanted to get the larger Listerines, it's a workaround. I would maybe do that if you have other register rewards from previous deals or Walgreens cash, because we don't get a ton of deals on Listerine. The Mrs. Meyer's or Method $4 to $9 products. So the body washes are $9, the hand soaps are $4. $10 reward when you spend $25. So grabbing 2 body washes for $18 and then 2 hand soaps for $8. The total there is $26. Use $20 in Walgreens cash, a bunch of register rewards, whatever you might have, and then you're getting back a $10 register reward. It makes it $16 for 4 or $4 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I know a lot of couponers make baskets, myself included. When you throw one of these in, the Method or the Mrs. Meyer's, it really looks like you put in some effort. So even if you wanted to go full hand soap, it's still a really smart purchase. Another deal that I absolutely love is on the fancier $6 Colgate brush and paste. $5 reward when you buy 2, and we have a $3 off the paste and the brush. This is a deal from the week previous, so if you still have the digital coupons, definitely participate. Grabbing a brush and a paste, that's $12, subtracting $6 of coupons, you're paying $6. Getting back a $5 register reward. It makes it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a really great deal, especially if you wanted to try out the fancier paste by Colgate or one of the fancier toothbrushes. I would definitely stock up. Moving along, the buy one, get one 50% off on the Gillette or Venus disposable razors. $5 reward when you spend $15. We have a $3 off the men and a $3 off the women's. Grabbing 1 of each on a BOGO 15% off. It's $15.88. A $3 off of each is $6 melting off. So $9.88. You're going to get back a $5 register reward. It makes it $4.88 for the 2 or $2.44 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you want to do the deal with no booster. And since most of us don't have a digital booster, that's probably going to be a reality. But it's just a great workaround to get some cheap Venus and Gillette disposable razors. In case you didn't do this deal last week, 3 for $7.49 on the Arm & Hammer laundry care products with a $1.50 off a 3 digital coupon. Grabbing 3 of these at $7.49, subtracting that $1.50, you're paying $5.99 for the 3 or $1.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, now we're going to look at some honorable mentions, guys. And the first one goes to the buy one, get one 50% off on the Axe deodorant. These are now $9.99. The usual going price was $7.49 for the brick deodorant, which is the stick one. I'm shocked by this. So unless they drop in price or there's some sort of sales, I mean, you'd be paying $10 for 2 or $5 per. Absolutely not. The 4 for $10 for the second tier P&G laundry care that includes the Simply, the cheaper laundry care stuff. It makes it $2.50 per unit. If you have one of those $10 for spending $35 from the week previous, you could easily use that register reward on these products. $10 Walgreens gift card when you buy 2 DoorDash, Panera, various gift cards. If you are into gift cards, this is definitely not a bad little deal. And it's usually $25 to get that 10, but you'll have to read the tags starting on Sunday. And then we have this $5 Walgreens gift card when you spend 10 or more on participating beauty products. So a lot of these beauty blenders, probably other little items that are tagged in store if you don't mind the Walgreens generic. And we also have the buy 2, get 2 for free with the $1 off 3 digital coupon. So if you need last minute sodas for your Easter gathering, definitely maybe put in a curbside order at Walgreens and don't forget to load that $1 off 3 digital coupon for some cheap soda. And the 2 for $6, making each bag $3, another really great deal. The Cheetos, Doritos, Miss Vicky, the Ruffles, and various snacks. Not a bad price point, $3 per bag. That is it for this video. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.